Hey everybody, Chris here from Toronto Typewriters. To let you know, we got lots of time to shop for the Christmas season. We've got tons of typewriters, manual, electric, electronic typewriters, as you can see over here. We've got a beautiful selection of Olympia typewriters. We've got Coronas, Underwoods, Remingtons, all the major brands. We've got lots of different kinds of paper. As you can see, got lots of different Christmas themed paper. We got Lukey in the shop here to welcome you. And we're open every single day, 11 till 5 p.m. Just go ahead and book a visit on our website, and we'll see you there.